for high Gyamfi news. Mema obibia akwaba. Latest hot enkwa era me de bremo na ansana ensebni nyina beba no. So when you subscribe ya bomori ya se obe subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo fufro so na when you be here na wo ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memo afi yenhwe eye ensemo abeto yepono so inti eye sankobo ya ekoso mama yenti
yewuram na afi yenjugem de ekoso ede de ACC Agigim. NPP flag bearer race. Don't vote for a candidate who insults and disrespects women. Adwoa Safo, former MP, Kwabena. Before I speak on this matter, I want you to understand, sir, Adwoa Safo is bipolar. You need to put this in your head before we do this editorial. Now, and they are sorry, and I just have kasa bebre. Na ne kasa muno. O say, member NPP delegates en kotwaba ma Kennedy Agyapong. Na Kennedy Agyapong no odidi matem. Kennedy Agyapong no onim nyansa. Kennedy Agyapong nye obi a onim nyansa obetumi edi party MPP nenim. Now, wa mananso ho osaka insembi kan ho. O say Kennedy Agyapong is the father of my 2 children. But Dr. Bawumia has my support. NPP is not a family and friends party. I can't say me now, I just have for papa at the form. I was expecting say at least or you'll be a sebio okay jajuo ni papa ewu. But say kokram emfere se obeto ohwene so a wo so won fere se odi asawa behim akwa metebe. I just have me ati say ne papa wo no faso ni so. People like us who were showing her all the respect and saying say we dey ne papa da form. Now we dey sebio answer na obeka bibia kire no e wo so wo hwe situation wo ma. I just have me ati say ne bipolar nti ne papa wo na ne papa ewu no ohu ne papa say ebia bola bed bi na wowu enti we free sa zone nim e na waba zone na ye betumi ayeden yenso ye ne na kasa je say obi a ne papa nwuye cause Adwoa Safo tirim no ohu ne papa say bola bed a wowu nti ne papa wo no enhye da ha no enti we take politics was step it because ye nya tia na ehu Nana Kurejo my Rollins may her soul rest in peace owu ye yehu ne ma. A respectable daughter to say Zenato Rawlings, the way she conducted herself. She stayed away from any public statement. She made us understand she was mourning her mother. So we nipa kwa na obeso ka sa Zenato ni nuanoma sa na wanu eye wudu because you could see somebody who appreciated the mame and was ready to mourn their mother. Upon all the things that were happening, in some power, she was supposed to take the lead. She stepped back a little bit. Even when she was called to duty, she made sure that she was not vocally heard. She wasn't seen. But what are we seeing today? We have a bipolar daughter who has given birth to a man. Otchere se wabodam. Na wo Adwoa Safo mbodam a edina bema na adwene nyedwuma. Bema also ono onim nyansa. Bema also odi matem etna also ene wo da ewo mienu wo odwan. You have no self-respect. Kennedy needs to spit on you. You know why? Because sa wonim se bema we a wo na da baako. O ejimifo no onene wo ye. Ye be fa say mistake. Sa ona nsa bema na sa akoda sa ubiem. Aji sika on nsem say we die upkeep mania. The wo Kennedy deserve to spit on your corpse. Also or tuntosuogu so. you are a piece of shit in front of that man. You know why? Because you will never even make a statement against saa nipa wo ya, because menya sure say obi ne bodam ni da. Unim se odi matem. Unim se Kennedy mumba and akofe wo to ema Kennedy ne wo die. Uye Jimmy for. I will address your issue, but I want you to understand you are less of a woman. Kennedy see you as a piece of rag and other men. And it's from political midwife. So ubu so ba a woman abesa woman yini ebetie wa sembetie story. As you are confident, you will not at the end of the day open your ass for a man who you know has been insulting women. What be beer affair twice? What fail twice? Emma Kennedy now also didn't matter no. And what Daya was a preco. What makes you? It makes you less of a woman. And you see, sometimes mona mama mo kwai na nipa bi kan sem bi say kyerɛ mo. Hwɛ Adwoa Safo kasa ai se be yi akye no. Mo hwɛ nanim.
Me see amra du na aduru ama wan. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Me twa mo tro. Ena me ka sem bi na to obi ati. Me ya politician. Ena honorable Kennedy Agyapong or your politician. Kugudu. Minim say delegates bebre wa ha. Ukunu e your polling station executive. Ena wo yire enso your polling station executive. Mesra obi ankura na dwen. Obi ankura na dwen wo politics mu. Obi ankura na dwen. Iti honorable Ken kura maintain honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Kennedy Agyapong. But and your family and friends and I hear well. Who go do? Messi ya is. If you na ya balo, who go do? I was here best answer. Yakotna be mu ye family and I any ne iti amanyo sema ye party level no me Adwoa Safo me se me nya dey me started contesting to be MP in the year 2007. Atene we di amanyo semunimu a wokuo mu abesinne. My serving as member of parliament for 12 years.
You see, yeah, I'm okay being sure. Adwoa Safo claim to fame ne papa ntina MPP for man position MPP mu. For Adwoa Safo to win a parliamentary seat, ne papa ntra. There was nothing substantial be Adwoa Safo be ka MPP ho. This idiot was given a ministerial appointment, a position. She left the shores of Ghana for 2 years. Why when you say I was seeing a movie said you do ye cook for advert. She left the shores of this country for 2 years. Okotna brochiri. Eka kire say wa wo na ne bana bodam nti ne bana nchen. Adwoa Safo asem oka kire ye no. And she was being paid every single month. Na emana ye je omoto editua ne ka no. Na omoda komfo no che na omu abuofunu. Me say this piece of thing. Enya ne papa anka MPP mfa ne nye toku emfa ne nye simpoa. Eya ne papa and MPP for share ho de ma aga we be Dome Kwabena. After the death of ne papa, she's nothing in the MPP. Bawumia ka to the trim say ye be vice president. Over pasika na aka no ye betume yusu enti abehye de trim Jimmy ne papa sika na da ho na wawu a yenya nsie na oda adakam oda fridge mu na ne jare na ye dendenden no ode de Jimmy agya ne papa to wo na ode be campaign MPP fo hu sa ne papa nkwase sika na onyaa no omo ba bagye di eno maka to trim sa wo de wa Jimmy o ye betume vice president na wo pa be na ode be di vice president o Ghana. into a Jamaica can kwasiasem. Na okan bibi nne. And that is the most important thing. Or see, say Kennedy Agyapong bedi flag bearer be president or no. On any political career no, it will come to an end. It will affect her. It will it is all about her and what she will get. And it's ende on any no. Never page up a dear in to question no. This girl Osiso Odidin Kofo Kunechi nominated that the by heart. Mkora woman nyina kuta different surnames. There's nothing unique about Adwoa Safo in Ghana politics. MPP no more Jimintra. They entertain Adwoa Safo all because nani papa ne sa papa no. And Adwoa Safo Jordan na MPP mo abedru baby awodui because me papa ne sa papa na wowu no. Eno no. There's nothing. A day na Adwoa Safo dia ka MPP ho. A day intellectual know how nyansa ben no nim. But uni bibi. They are using a foolish woman who is not smart against a foolish man who will sleep with anything. That is why today, and the Ojina Bejom say Kennedy Jimmy, yan come to me and from Bawumia. Na Kennedy na ono na osha wone wo base kokuo. In Parliament, we saw pictures of Kennedy Agyapong handing over money to you in Parliament. Usika udibedi disa or chamber. So obi etume yi the bottom sika. Wetuma fe woto ne wawo na we yi the bottom sika ma we didi ne akwara ma wo na. That person sees you as a chicken. Ohia wo mo a. You cannot help that person. I'm not here to campaign for Kennedy. We all know Kennedy is very foolish because ankonim nyansa anko ne bibi we nkodan wo. Kennedy sat on radio and TV to tell us sika na otam de bra wo ma wudi. Why we simu jira said de otchere de wo Zimbabwe bantama abejira keka nkwasiasem.
I have vowed not to insult can never blasted the beer. Adwoa Safo. Chief of staff called me. I went there. Said now this is what she's saying. I swear my mother's grave. Chief of staff gave me 120,000 deposited in Adwoa Safo's Fidelity Bank account. Please, I'm Wakuba. What do you know?
So a lot has been done.
Yes, I'm telling you. I put the money there in the Fidelity account. Ask her PA if what I'm saying is not the truth. But now we are in opposition. The way Adwoa is treating the party is clearly showing that we are in opposition. And this shouldn't be tolerated at all.
You know, the conversation about her position would not be of great significance, for the lack of a better expression, if there was a clear majority in Parliament. And this has become even more in sharp focus because of the e-levy. I'd like your thoughts.
That is what we are talking about. Obetina Brochire 2 years. Adwoa Safo Obetina Brochire 2 years. Owie no slange chireye. When you mutum say exhaust by passing, say, and you know, I live in America, and my purple, and the capability, and the vanity. Oh, pro, oh, papa, na yankwasi, jumama wabe nipa. Now I don't blame you. I blame Kennedy Agyapong because also Kennedy we Jimmy. Also, no, he's an opportunist. Or Papa we Jimmy, no, you know that is what he does. He's an opportunist. So your bar now you're smart. Kennedy impel. They be ochusu to me no. Kennedy they be ope to me no. The Jimmy no, the asare no, and then ope. It they be on the name, and it does not matter. So no one for no one you feel as much as obe detect any kind of defect or adwini no. No acho, no da sha woto, no abegum. Inti enfendi no. Na mon kwasiafo we nyina pese, ye nyina eba, ne ebe to abama mo, na mo de yeden. Na inti ye de 2 minimum a. Wo Adwoa Safo ka kire say, I Secretary Japan be flag bearer. It will go against your political career. Now politics, Ghana politics. Wo Ghana politics. E dey pa na dey kan Ghana politics on. E dey na dey Ghana politics on. Say Ghana nanke enim nyansa nka you should never come close to anything politics. That disrespect a wo Adwoa Safo. Oba panti nipa bebre e ka mo kasa bo ahye omuyem. Nkwasiade a wudi wo Ghana. Oba pola ba pena wudi nkwasiasam. Enkwasi asema odi no Ghana. O papa ntina nipa bebre aka oma no, oma ka oma sama shomu yam because your dad lived a life na man for person man no betia. Say awowu. Say an jare ne keki se fridge mu. It one person we be a gate na maye. Mo tete Ghana na nkwasi ade. Mo munipa. Uyo bia na omo mo to so bom nsem no. Omo ye nkokuo se party na Jimmy for ne doso. Na emmayiwa ne mbemrante omo parties omo nim nyansa. Omo busa sa wo Adwoa Safo. Idea credibility, idea nyansa be pa now because you are part of the people who made NDC lose the election. MPP lose the elections. Low voter who lose no eye de Kwabena no eye wo na ma MPP lose elections no Bawumia no wajimi kakra ntira because you are talking about people who can bring you new votes. Adwoa Safo okaho ena dome Kwabena the number of votes MPP lose Adwoa Safo attitude. It will be omo I say blame omo lose omo MPP lose power. You can never take Adwoa Safo out. There were so many people who were pissed off because of a foolish idiot like Adwoa Safo. Etia brochure, granting interview guys say maroreri abofunu. Otia brochure slang no na obi ti dobe Kwabena clinic na ne bada na naso wu or twen Kennedy Agyapong. Kennedy Agyapong and people like you today can speak. Makache MPP for say penyini ni party ni Nanka party ni penyini wo ma ka Adwoa Safo ka ntumi nya campaign mo bia. Me wo kura na wo ya me time. O je taxpayers money na de ti abrochire. Ya ma wo adwuma sey ye. So wo ntumi nya adwuma na ka che so wo ntumi nya na do kwase ati aboche sa slange kire ye. Kurase ni okotena abrochire kurase. Now you think you are better than anybody? You Adwoa Safo. A dear pa na wo dia beka eye NPP ho. NPP for some ye very honest person me di no kura. Dia na dia ka ho. And I'm papa ni we na the name. O papa sika kakra no, o pesa o tam de kodi Bawumia echi. Enti o kasese bodam ni. O papa ewu da dem. O papa ewu da phone we ewu da fridge mu. O be ma o papa ye aye tantan te se lumba de ni bi. O be ye na papa ye aye te se kronfo bi ye. We Jimmy na Bawumia mo dada. You are foolish. O be ma o papa ye adane te se kronfo ye. Ebedani to say, you have started creating a mess for your father. And you are not smart to know these things. Unyano no kan wasema sikeni brenti no aka obi ahye yenja obi anafa ni nyina koma Bawumia. Ade nkwasi asem no. Bema wo ka chen say obdidi matem no wakobie wasem no wada mod ne nsa wo en wa wo mienu. Na oni preko so only preko jina ho a preko de at least owo a onimbe ma ono wo ye woni be ma na wo se ono edidi matem be ma na ono oyo obi a omu ma odidi atem onim nyansa no wo sa bie wase e de ona twere dan ho so ombra no ono wo meda embe wo baako ye de che wo ye ka say ye mistake sa be ma Jimmy fo na sa ba biem e ma wo fe wo to emod when ti etare da ho esa no wu biom de kwase ate wo se saa be ma no enne obi a wo na adwene ofui wa bo na adwene ahye wa adwene mu no wa wo ubeyesa na papa yie no adane se okromfo bi yie ubeyesa na papa yie na ye beye no ubeyesa na adane akromfo yie Obeyesa ni akosi o papa na eninsuo nam ne ni ase we Jimmy politics. Now Samira betena mo be vice president. Samira ono onya vice president ono abedi. Now they say they trust you. They know you have a kid with Kennedy and that influence is still there. They know whatever you do, you cannot disassociate yourself from Kennedy Agyapong. Or the Nebema Shawasenu mienu etisana na ba namwa trying to disassociate herself from Edian or Sebo. She can't because akwara wum. It does not matter the English and anaba namwa beka. Yebeka saw or Sebo ex-girlfriend. No, you cannot take the tag away. So akwara mbema is different. The moment amoba fiatum is done. And this influence will be there. Osebo, sorry. Manone for me. Nanaba. Sorry. You get it? If you do sometime, I'm mokasa. Aya politics in tea. Mokasa anyhow. Now, I don't blame you. I blame Kennedy Agyapong. I blame the MPP. Kennedy Agyapong, for a very long time, Ghana for advice, no. Sa papa, Jain kwasi adeno. Me akwa miniti, me pre political appointment biawo. Me starting mejuma we, I swore to my God, say class prefect crowd me amempe. Until I knew what I was doing. Now you being a member of parliament, we told you, you need to understand, say, you being a member of parliament, I also agree, you might end up trying to look for a position. What's that TV okay can kwasi asem? On Sunday, enkwara na etwetwe, hwe aboa bi te se abronye to be gina radio so. Hwe enkwara bi omhu fi bi. Bawumia using them. And the Kennedy spoke. Let's listen to Kennedy Agyapong. Any onoso no inkuro okobo no eye TV so.
Can survive with anything. Many of them time. But I know Chinese also mko banu.
So what kind of Munkoya Abemwa? Mamimbi said, do you believe in structures, no say na?
I believe in the structures, but last minute, easy for no committee in
underground.
Yes.
So
use party security, sir. Omobabu Obia Obabejina because Ombekana that don't be gone. They come Papa Kofi.
Honorable Ken. I among aspirants in Yanano. So, what Kasa, Nasibia, I mean, the tempest course on near there, or reflected on a DMBAC 2013, 2023, yeah. Maybe Anya would day. Doesn't mean, say, in a way, no, Emma, what about some kind of bitterness be against Dr. Bawumia?
Me mean what that they cry. My life, no, he doesn't exist.
Hey.
Because he exists and comedy boy. Okay. That's how I see myself. What do you say? But I just don't want to say anything. One day, Assembly our President Akufo Addo the boy Papa Bidin. Now Obianio, the next day no man pursue and say, oh, okay. But in fact Obia some ancient trip.
Okay.
Madam, what
did I tell you, Kennedy? I told you. You see, right now, I feel bad for you. Where internal elections, so you see how your voice is even gone. You see how your voice is gone. Your voice is caught. You see how you lost weight. Bawumia. Do you know what he's doing? He has just pumped it into the party underground. Into Bawumia message. And then the party dogs doing the job for him. When you were doing the fullest job, threatening for life. Kevin Taylor Papa ye say, Kevin Taylor Mahamadu Bawumia, Kevin Taylor no, Obetuma Bagana, Obetwasha the America. No more show. They were using you. The same people today are telling you so about them. You see today, oh dog Papa Kofi, TV so. Why ain't now dog Papa Kofi? I just will be a kumbao, and this will be a real sickle. Oh dog Papa Kofi because MPP person real. You see, we kept advising you people. Bawumia does not care. You can swear heaven and earth. Bawumia is ready to destroy you. Ono na yire no one na yire dia mano no. So oluzi primary way and yire be jano. Na men kan nto utrim. Bawumia ne man would nya da ade we so. Enti it does not matter nipa wo swear ne dia wo ye. The plan is still the plan. They are going to beat you people. Every police station, they will take over it. The noise, you will make the noise. They have a plan for you. 1st February, they will beat your people on the 31st. 1st of February, declare Bawumia. You will not like it, but they will give it to him. Oh, we are about Straka just come and join him. So when you say, wait, Jimmy, that is what he will do. So don't, your noise and all that, never make will say. These people, you Kennedy Bawumia, now Mumusa Musa Brand Champon, where Mumusa Brand Champons away. Brand Champon, baby and the blood ni free ban, baby and the sick and free ban, or my cut it off. So Tim and Adwoa in the America. Brand Champon, or started politics. Baby and the blood a pumpy free no. Baby and blood and this is for the second womb. And you know the funny thing, it is sarcoma, it is bleeding, it is leaking. Brand Champon, he knows. Brand Champon, the politics, baby and only sick free for years. Or the draining a binding yes, sick didn't question some. The NDC the Bafwa womb. And India is quiet. Mahamadu Bawumia can never be president of Ghana. I know Akufo say, oh, you can be Bahama. Me say, Bonia Bawumia di wa MPP muno. Bonia Bawumia di nkwaran bi di wa MPP muno. Bonia Bawumia ne yire. Esen nkwaran bi echi. Any party executive bi echi. Di wa MPP no. So munim even half of it anka mu nyina anka Bawumia nko banka mu betom. Kamu Bawumia se buntuo. Wuni bundio. Oh, the 3 1 besin in nase on shout idea. And kamu Bawumia and kamu se bundio. If you know the damage, because you see, they be able to catch them. There's no difference between Bawumia and Ken Ofori Atta. Bawumia never had a constituency in the party. The same as Ken Ofori Atta. So I will check Bawumia how he got into the party. And maybe obedru ye, and maybe opeso kwa. It is the same as Ken Ofori Atta. Ken Ofori Atta about party no. On to me one police station and no I meeting or order. On to me can't Ken Ofori Atta was never part of any party committee from the grassroots or went to a constituency to register. He was never the same as Bawumia. So when it comes to affiliation to the party, you see the way John Mahama or a true NDC or a comrade or a in and out NDC, you can pick him from the bottom all the way to the up. Bawumia cannot say the same for himself. They don't have any connection to the party. They see the party say a group of fools who don't know what they are doing, and because they in their head they think they are smart, they can lead you people. That was the same thing another than Kweku Addo did. Bawumia and how you feel about the grassroots and no, he does not care. Samira Bawumia has never from her days na ojina na so a onda na dwo okoba no na ono wanko party meeting mi adawo. This is the time we want some party no nipa dodo na jimi into okwa obenya mama mo atonyo asa no obenya mbema jimi for mo wudi nechi. They don't have any connection to the party. And if you don't have a connection like an umbilical cord, if there's nothing connecting you to the party, you wouldn't care how the party goes. And it's about Bawumia, all the destruction that is happening, the cracks you are seeing in the party, and it's about Bawumia still does not see it. It do not be say Akufo or your party in and out or tenchaya we who the AC but unim pesamin kuminyanti to mean kano kureno. Akufo or your in and out MPPD or nyini womu or joining from Kwarabrem until he can see the party breaking down. He sees it. But because of pesamin kuminya, because of something, I don't want to say it because some people they be someone almost say party or trauma nankano ablaste. The party is gone. So it is not about Bawumia to say Bawumia ne yire any take your time and analyze Bawumia no momudinichi. MPP all of them are businessmen and businesswomen. Were the people who were into serious business, political business when the MPP were in power. 90% of they were the ones doing serious business. Until they see the NPP as a business entity, they see it as far as they follow the party and pretend it's a party here, they will be able to run their own personal things. The party no a springboard be no. It is a word study. Some of them you ask yourself, now Kwawe position or the other day. Yamano, Deputy Communications Minister, Yamano, it is not about the positioning of Omudi Ye, Jumano, and those of them who Salam Mustafa on New York. Oh, so I went to meet the party and they are using you people. They are doing business with you people. And then Kojo Kyeremanteng said, no, this is a party that we started from the roots. There's a principle being in DHA. Kojo Kyeremanteng, I'm not a political businessman. I cannot use the NPP for business. Kyeremanteng said, let us shift the party from the business mindset of people using the party to make business, and let's look at the party as a source, a chrono, able to make economic freedom. We should be the hope of a chrono. Our ideologies, our policies, our way of doing things, it should liberate people from their economic suffering. And Akufo Addo say kwasia. Yani Tróuble chenu wini na kwasia fo ye wo mo ba menom. The gabby otchere Akufo Addo, gabby Ken Ofori, they don't understand those things. They don't understand we are working for the people. And that is what Bawumia and Yire no musia. 2012, Oshe Samira Bawumia ne won tumago oche bolga confirm. And so when the Samira Tari Sheno, almost $100,000. These people made money and they are so much into it, so they don't want it to go. They think they can still use that money to get that power again. And so onya abutana otenasia. Hwa omo mudi Bawumia nyina echi. Eye omo and Akufo Addo scandal we beto ne so. Okowia sika we, okobo okro no we. Bawumia on any group no, I'm say Alibaba and the 40 thieves. You can see it. Body Baba Kumpo di Bawumia scandal ni no. Tell me one person. Tell me one person on the Bawumia nama or Bawumia team no scandal ni no. But one person tell me. They are all potential jailbirds. That is why they believe say Bawumia omote Bawumia come on us because it's about business. It's about making money. It's about making sure say party no the nyesika. In Kennedy Agyapong, makachro. They have worked everything out. You are fighting against a cartel which you are part of. One kasano, you are not clean. You, Kennedy, Adebia to win the biano, you deserve it. Adebia to win the biano, you deserve it. You created it. You nurtured it. Basically, Adebia to be a one away and a enyini and a any wood dealy. So don't complain. When I see you complain, I am a straight. When I see you complain, what are you complaining about? What are you complaining about? Abronye do atem. Na abronye Jimmy Fowi, and you want to so on the so. Abronye no do a chia, time and now would Mahama terminal. No OTA. When your rebbe say we na fe, what teacher na, what's abronye do atem? So I don't feel pity once. The omudi ya no, Mahamadu Bawumia, we trust the car to war, it is targeted at you, Walai. So Bawumia win elections now. Adibio meyo Ghana no. Me say, Mameka bibi chiro Kennedy. Me ka bibia. Bawumia win power ni wia. Say Bawumia yire ni sibia we mini uno. Don't even think about Bawumia wo. Sibia Samira emini uno businesses no. You'll be shocked. That lady has sworn heaven and earth. They now can say oba exposing the jantra. Ame we ase huno. And of course, the Musu no catch and say the day the party will be handed over to Nikunu, you will be her target. Now, Adia Samira be yawono. This Alibaba and the 40 thieves, you are underestimating them. You can get all the macho men in Ghana on election day. They will beat them. Bawumia, they will beat them. The boys are more resources or more time or more power. Those are the same boys you are going to use. You Kennedy saa boys na who use omo time and more power e de NDC nyoma no and the sikana kodi Bawumia mu nsam, and they are going to use them against you. They are going to use Kennedy. Me say me the advice and me bound to say but more than win the primaries way na musion count na when we ni adia Samira be ye wo no Bawumia, after 2024 elections, Okachere said he was going back to teach. They hearing a man warning. Kachere say, I want to be first lady. It is not you. Ono, Samira saw the baby baby on show. That guy knows nothing. Samira and a son of baby muchebi fakwaha. That guy, and a managing no. On our artist keke. The manager and Samira, Bawumia or just an artist. Or performer keke. Bawumia manager anga say Samira. On a managing no, aha stage win abeko, radio win abeka, lyrics win ye. Samira Bawumia ohu Bawumia as ohun is an artist keke original stage. E kasa gunku koso. On a son of baby chance of Bawumia has no control on this thing. Samira decides how this thing goes. It is a opobi and I one-on-one. I Samira also no. Bawumia de on the Samira beka no you. It is sa election where mukomuno. Samira is the one drawing everything in the bedroom. Debia on tiasie. Ono Bawumia onti dia konasio otimi ko ka se mi de ochana ko ka se foforo onti ne wase ono mpo dia koso onti ase e Samira san kwara yo mkodi Mahama atem omkodi omusikeri ko yi omu prison san kwara sikeri eni nya Samira handle ni nyina Samira ne bu unua no wadamfo ne dan tugu ye Samira before election 2024 na o second lady na ni kunu. That was the first time I knew Kunu contested as a flag bearer. Obudain tugu, obudain. The Chrome chat, Abronsain the war. Samira budain tugu, gigi obudin tugu. Now Onyanya convinced the possible winning election. So, or lie. Ona also what down 120 with 170. Oh, is the one. Obebu de Amutia. Messi Obebu in the saloon. Unim Samira. Moyamu Samira na. No, onomo Jimmy, where momo onya to me out. Say, na onya to me no. Election 2024. Na obiampo eni baby abekono. Na Samiri budaigu. Na obudain. Kada wakwesi wo kurom ho. Na obudain. Ni kurom child abronsan wo na Samira et Ghana ebu residential area tugu. Na obutugu. Na nipa say nikunu ono Samira na kire bibi onfa ne be manhye no one na ekwa den ono ohia tumi o ono ni family bia o Ghana. She's got nothing to lose in tokwasi Ghana nde it will affect you Kennedy than Samira mo Ghana for am to Ghana no in tokwasi Ghana nda e be affect me a chen Samira 90% of the bush from to Chad. Da ben artist ebusuafo bia betena say ye nipa 30 ye nyina Samira ebusuafo ne antini mi ne wahu bi da. Da ben out yetumi hu Kennedy yetumi hu Mahama de ebusuafo bebre ena ne nua wei me say obetie se Samira nua ba ko bi MP. What is Samira ebusuafo aba begu apatase e ka se ye nie ye party Samira anti this sister ba what be obo yile gu Chad e chi dimwa ha eno ane ne passport o. She does not fucking care. Or your box, chop box to say wa and say obiaba buchebe hustle. Samira Ghana no in America. She would do anything for power. Samira odu ni krom chada almost so ne so. Or tam the bag is on so ko bobra. Obepie Ghana na wabede second lady. It is Samira ubo careless. Onfa wo hon chew.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.